This is the man. I say, Masa, Sameka na betwa mitikura meka. I say me pese me ye bibi na dache me kwa. Mo dia kai me.
Me pese me di jantwa to manim se akukuduro na me wona me de ka se ya anye ne ye. Nti ye nsan ko yechi ye nsesa no. Me ba ya ade a me ba ya ya no. Se ye ko yechi. So mbetwa mitikura omumra no mbetwa. But that is what we're doing. A change, a revolutionary change. So when I'm not here tomorrow, I want you to remember me not only by my smile, by my will, the thoughts of my mind, the deeds of my heart, the will of my soul, and the established work of my hands. Say, the sapine a buy, I'm a buyer, the sapine a coy, but the mijao machino could be intimate easy. Because me jamu bibi, me jamu japadia, my son bomb busia, and miniwa, mon say, or mining in Modemeka, my wuko, Modemeka, Bosia, my bombs from penny back. My chedia, me de mamu, but no pomo Bosia, and then Yagana penny, but African countries, baby Bosia.
Elias, it takes a bold man to say, I can make a difference. Only vision, only the mentality, only the zeal that you can make a difference in society. Because only maybe, so starts so making difference, and the whole world will go against you. And then I meet you, Binoka, Mochadano, better than the 12 ministers, or confirm, or mamma, no papa, what do you ruling? All Ghana for small-minded. Yadi Swa. Who told you said a political party in a making a nation? So political party in making a nation since 1992, Ghana would have been a paradise. But instead, political parties in Ghana, they are wrecking the nation. Wrecking it. What small-minded Nababekase? How can Chada rule without NDC MPP? It's possible. After all, what does NDC MPP done for Ghana? Nothing. They've just chopped our money. What do you say? Now they be a maker. Me say akola or better car no ohu car tire no bisa. This is a bold statement. Me tell them no. I need to do this video because only me be. I say enye Ghana nkwa na mebo mbosia mebo Africa bosia because Africa come on dear. Hello, hi, Xposed GH, Match FM Ben Bruce. Oh, subscribe here. Subscribe, mama. We are open for business, parties, wedding, funeral, live shooting. We are ready. It's still Chada's time. Chada. Nah, make a two video be now all about his mentality. I'm saying, wow, this is the man. I say, Masa, Sameka na betwa mitikura meka. I say, me pese me ye bibi na dache me kwa. Mo dia kai me. Pese me boga na bosia. Yenkote video nembra.
Me pese me di jantwa to manim se akukuduro na me wona me de ka se ya anye ne ye. Nti ye nsan ko yechi ye nsesa no. Me ba ya ade a me ba ya no. Se ye ko yechi so mbetwa metikro mumra no mbetwa. But that is what we're doing. A change. A revolutionary change. So when I'm not here tomorrow, I want you to remember me not only by my smile, but by my will, the thoughts of my mind, the deeds of my heart, the will of my soul, and the established work of my hands. Say, it means sapine a buy. I'm a buyer, no. It means sapine a coy, but I'm a jao machino in between. Could be intimate easy. Because me jamu bibi, me jamu japadia. My son bomb busia. And miniwa. Mon say, or mining in an Modemeka. My wuko, as Modemeka. Bosia, my bombs from penny back. My chedia, me de mamu, but no pomo bosia, and then Yagana penny, but African countries, baby bosia. Timmy Wuna Mekwa. No one will say, or Samai, Yadeneka. A message I made jump. Because in Chroma Bayan. Manti atimo beka kire mu. It is said there, I'm bringing you your economic freedom and not your independence. Tima pop person because minim se wuntimi nyasika no. Nya wodia na wunim pe. Na wunya nso a wunim kura na wunim so hwe. Nti ese se me be kura no ma na me boabo no ma. But minim pa se me fan ko forma me free buy. Me Paul Bosia. Now Bosiano, Chenier. Yeah, me ma back on so. Me mammy and son. And tis a me babium, let me be so say, 1 year. It's so to me, say, now, dear, ya ma na kodru no ehia enye odikanfo pe na emom ehia odifo ehia onyansafo ehia akukuduro obi a wa akukuduro a osaye messenger osmafo na watimi akania dominant nyanka na waye ne edom no entimi anye ti ochena bi no yeni hɔ a na ama omo di achi no so ometimi anya hope and that's what bi e de aye yesese aye e de to aso nana ada wase na meda adom so anu mo ba en so ase na me pese me December we so e be da me nua be ma ase Kofi na me share nya interview sa bi da ono ana o share da be che me tena ha se e ma we we nkati bi a me ne kasa e ba kasa kakra but we share so one of the interviews I appreciate the most. Journalist for no more cromano o ma nya de bebre nka no kre say your leaders na your journalists no mu nyina twantro de a krono achia ti bebre nka no kre nti mpese me show crying say we no credit mu no minim be bia nyame do be kwa koduru ne awoye mu but men sign wachi keep going and use that good heart and good soul and the message will be delivered. Ti damase nemo no meba 276 tower me ba ye ti ba ba sraw sa wa ba ide ese sebens me ba ti me ba gomo na me bisa me nua se hihye ti me I will be coming with buses and all of that ti oba hihye na ye hu da kro no as I'm on the road na my baba ye me no abaye grand deba wo gumo ye baba be hia mabru no wo ho na ntutuso bi esese tutuso bi anu yaka ka chom se mo wore adwuma de me di bi aba me di bi bebra mu na nye hope man ni nyina the system industrial revolution is a strategy to create jobs but to create wealth out of jobs.
Yeah.
When you create jobs without wealth, forget the jobs. I think say sanity, ministries, police, soldier ni bi kura o atare a o shecha o shetu akura etu no nto da. Atare no ni be free. Shoe no ni be free. Eno ane sotara no pa bia ne wa hye no akogina ba bi. Ade esa no ko. Until there is no value in the police, in the soldiers, in the farmers until say value be free omumu aba no. Aketu a yetu omo no. Yanhwe ya bosian de kokokobo de etua salary. Bosian so yen bo enfantua salary. Bosian ye bo e de ye investment e de returns ba. Returns no ne yi salary ni free. Nti Ghana leaders no ano emese business no na ye de tete kro no emi omo ntiase. Atiase bi mu so ha bia omo nyina tra pension. Enya afi no ba be ye business. Ti Freedom Jacob Caesar, I think I'm here to contribute to all of that. But I'm very excited and I'm happy for this visit and this very moment. And the fact that I'm coming back to you to visit you, I am happy. Thank you.
Yeah, this is a man on a mission with a vision. Before somebody will say, may be biama or neso bisanisa, or say, enye Ghana pen and best me pese me bomb bosian pese me bo Africa bosia. Also bo bosian so nje. But pese oni hwa. Mo dia kaida who say this man made a difference. Elia say it takes a bold man to say I can make a difference. Only vision, only the mentality, only the zeal that you can make a difference in society. Because only maybe so start somebody making difference and the whole world will go against you. And then I meet you be no muchada no better no the 12 ministers or confirm no ma me no papa o. One you me be ruling. One Ghana for small minded. Yadi swa. Who told you say a political party in a making a nation? So political party they make it a nation since 1992 Ghana would have been what? A paradise. But instead, political parties in Ghana, they are wrecking the nation. Wrecking it. 80 what small mind how can Chada rule without NDC MPP? It's possible. After all, what has NDC MPP done for Ghana? Nothing. They've just chopped our money. What do I say? Na de bia meka me say akola obeto car no ohu car tire no bisa. This is a bold statement. Me tell them no. I need to do this video. Because what me be? I say enye Ghana nkwa na mebo mbosia mebo Africa bosia because Africa come dien. Jimmy eti come dien. Nyame ache yen ba yenim so hwe ti come dien. Nye be di kura nyibi. Oko Somalia, other places in comfort eti before no mon campaign apie Jimmy. Enye se bibia ni ho. Jimmy Sam obi ko fa tuo no. And nothing I make a chance sometimes violence is never the way to go. It's about intellect. Be intelligent. Nana kwa mbedi ako or the adwene e kasa or the mind no or the kasa chain. It's not about violence. Violence has ruined Africa. And nothing I me supporting some of the things that Vemo did. So bako to police for khaki se me di dwane. Oh ya boa we dwane. And people are supporting this stupid thing. They are not even talking about that incident. All that they are talking about is why is oppressing. Police one come shoot to the kuno. That guy is becoming a nuisance in Ghanaian politics. And then I'm Bika, and he was just doing coup on Facebook. I'm saying, wait, Jimmy Papa, he was just doing coup on Facebook. Mr. Rwanda, it took one person to say kill the cockroaches, and 1 million people were slaughtered. If you don't know the power of your tank. Nana kwa mbedi ako or my idea or say it is possible, not talking or say I have done it. I know the ritual. I know how to do it. I can do it. The cycle, I have done it already. I have studied them. I know how it's done. Possible. And ya kasa no kasa to say MPP and this one we are going to build toilets and you know what is a doable. The next step that Ghana need to take, I have done it. I know how it's done. And he started by saying, he said, I'm going to give capital investment to people to work with. Sabe Ghana, you are again, aka what to work with. It's this man. Now catch him and say, simply because he doesn't belong to NEC MPP, ultimately really Ghana, then you are stupid. Your mind is not working. Because on mind dear Juma, and so who said, all the great nations, Nippon Matimi are transforming the world. Came from nowhere. They were not even affiliated to any political party, but they rule. When Kwame Nkrumah came to Ghana, there was UGCC. What's in on the former CPP? He ruled. So what are we talking about? Is MPP NDC is Ghana for them? Is it their birthright? We have made them so based on tribal and religion and stupid things. Oh, be media ne ho ofe. Our friend here the day. Our friend Jimmy Woma or send a warfare. We need somebody with sense. Yeah, he'll be our vision. Or be a seven. It's time for Ghana to move on to the next level. Because we have been marking time for too long. We need to move. I say, Asam make come to Kwamitra. What do you mean? Asante mine. They be a meka. Me say Asantinika Samaya Surono. Because sabe yepe to me no asante hene baako ayefa no kodua osimu twabiti ne fanje asante mansi ho. They know how to what to take what belongs to them. That's how powerful they are. Eti ofinsuta woni ma meka to ofin ma ponsuta. Eti okacha o say mitikura me de be achema na Ghana ye ya megia. We have to believe him. The youth, you need to rise. Na minka we no make sure the difference. A political party, the MPP in government, what they are doing. Galamsey na you fight no. Papa Bako MP for Insuta one nam. And all catching for say you perceive good Galamsey. Yeah, yes, yes, you are there no shitens you him. Because of what political gain. You go video number.
to boy. And there and obey. That's right. Mudra menu aje papa wo mo nsema wo ho. Na mura so aho. O sande. Na mura ho. Ahwe mbranta wo gu ha. Na community mining onunti ana wo wa ha. Na ebinum so won kan. Na wose won adwuma no won gu no. Oya sa papa. Ebinum won kan. Wose community mining. Small scale mining. Won gu no. Aha, me jizi there. When you know why you underground mining. Ana. Wase nsu ha. Nsu da ha. Nsu kalanda. Wasola why you underground mining. Na wanuso wansa kwano. Ama webusia wenye bi na wedi ana. Ena no pay. Asaba me ka shon de. Oye. Opia wa maene munsa kwano. Ama wanansa akwanano. Dabu yipano yipa banufa. Mese onwana wo ha nyina. Sonye community mining ya. Enku wadiza. Enka oye kwam kase. Na me pele Ghana fu watu wenyu wo hwa doma wo gui. Ah wanyina directly working under the community mining concept. Epia wabua wen mende wana wo gui nyina. Ah one say su na why responsible mining. Once akwanano Damu yipana wabua wen mende what you want your baby to know? Why are the bona? Why are the bona? I dare bumpy mano. I dare walk to join you. What bumpy? What do my doctor Mamudu Baumia? I know George Mekuduka. So wait, Missing community mine, you know. You're good and you're good on.
Wow, it's shameful. Okay, it's shameful. It means that you're some crano, a boy and senior, don't so abakuko, say old million so. Son and yes, a boy. Because I dare now we MP. Now could Jamie be say they want to destroy it. Hey? And then say me brain and Pesamica. But person who the difference between people who just say and people who just do. Nana Kwame Bediako, he's a doer, not a sayer. Ghanaian politicians they just say they have the tendency to talk. Yeah, but then they can't do it because they don't even have the vision to do it. Toilet and can make me as a toilet toilet, all the Ghanaians can't toilet. What's wrong with us? And namely, yeah, parkwa nim in California, Jumanya, and say we get outside the box. All that we think about is toilets in BC, and people are following them. My fear, mechanic, I Xposed. If I remember Bruce, but also subscribe, yeah, the two pair. Now, Zakabi Manuel.